Yo, we're live, and this is the Underground Mic. I'm your host, Nenzolo Franklin Ngobo, and Namhlanje we're not in the studio, we're on the ground at Bay Center. Namhlanje, besides me, is a huge piece. Yeah, like Namhlanje. Sis, who are you and why we're here?
So when I igama lami Umbalenhle Mlambo, I'm an HOD in Nwele Production, which we're currently working on. Yeah, that's basically me.
Yeah. So sifuna namhlanje.
Namhlanje lana size ngokuzoyibonela thina mathupha unwele. Lapho ke kunwele sikhuluma ngama roots ethu onwele, which means imvelaphi yethu. Ukwazi isintu sethu, imvelaphi yethu, sizazo nje sobani, umuntu unwele lakho libaleke ngani, bese unwele luchaza wena, siqonda ukuthini ngalokho kahle kahle sofunda ngemvelaphi.
So for umuntu ongaphandle who doesn't know the place, like ungamtshelani right now?
Who doesn't know the place, as in the
students, umuntu ofisa ukuzala ekhaya.
Umuntu ofisa ukuzala ekhaya, what I would say is le ndawo ivulekile for every person. Noma bethu unjani ukuphi ivulekile ukuzofunda. And kumnandi ngazo kwenziwa into eziningi ngama talent, so umusa umuntu omusha unekhono thizeni, acting, singing, dancing, painting, noma yini uvulekile ukuthi uze khona lana kumahala, kunama lessons abakhona futhi nalana, nathi lana futhi sifundisa ngakho kwe theater, music, visual arts. Yeah, izinto esifundisana zona futhi lezi ngaphansi ku production esisebenza kuyona unwele.
So from ungena la ekhaya, yini into ongayisho mhlambe i lesson from all the years of experience yakho ne knowledge esitholile through ukufundisa nezingane, like what kind of lesson would you learn ngaphandle from ukususa la and uyibona ngaphandle impilo not okay, it does work?
I would say patience.
Okay.
Oh God, patience.
That's the key. Then that's key.
Yeah. Yabona ukusayida ukuthi angibona ukuthi ngaba naleso sibindi leso sineke sokufundisa nani hayi ukungifundisile isineke.
So discover sofika la ekhaya.
Yeah. Discover sengila ukuthi no kusakuningi sazobhekana nakho vele ngaphandle manje, so kumele nje dedela umoya kibe naleso sineke sokuthi nje sabantu sihlukene sinembono yethu ehlukene, kumele kufunda ukunderstand omunye umuntu.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. It was very nice ukuba nawe, and hopefully sisazophinde sifike la ekhaya. So stay tuned for another episode of the Underground Mikey. Obangshilo, we are in the studio, we are on the ground at Bay Center. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you.
Thank you.
We broadcast live. Broken Mirror Entertainment.
So sisaqhubeka from where we started. Lana ngime no sisi la, but uzositshela yena. Who are you and why we're here?
Igama lami uSipho Sethu wakwaMzulwini. I am the director of Unwele. Njengoba sihlangene nje lapho ubhuti bangithola sibhizinisi rehearsal silungiselela lo Unwele.
So ubhuti wami la ufuze told me about a very powerful concept ukukhuluma ngayo kuthi ubuntu.
Yes.
So I have questions la kunama takes vela ama segments esinawo amancane la into yethu, so awunankinga nama questions.
Anginankinga.
Vele bengekho prepared now, but okay. Besides talking about it, what activities do you use to let students experience it? Ubuntu. Besides ukukhuluma ngakho, like what kind of activities do you like bafaka kuyona just ukubona without ukukhuluma ngayo?
As of late, we've been doing ama open dialogue. The first one nje sibe nayo khona lapha eBed Center, simema abantu bangaphandle ukuze sihlangane njengabantu, sibonisane nangalo unwele lelo silcreatayo. But ubuntu ngicabanga ukuthi buya enforceka kule msebenzi kanjena, because njengabantu masihlangene lapho ubuntu obuthola khona when you listen to the other person, connect with the next person. Yeah.
So how do you link ubuntu to the subjects like music, drama and storytelling? Because I heard ngikhuluma in music if it happens. So like ukulinka kanjani lokho ubuntu to the music, the storytelling and the drama?
I think because what we are creating, or umsebenzi that I stand for, is umsebenzi wama Africa nje kakhulu. Yonke into engiyiyo na yonke into engiyenzayo promotes Africa nobuntu. And so in the production vele, because we're doing African theater, vele kuzenzakalele ukuthi ubuntu bugqame through the music and the visuals and the performance itself.
I could tell ukuthi ubuntu. So what changes do you notice in students who start to grasp about ubuntu?
Oh, It's a
tricky.
beautiful question. I think ngithokoza uma ngibabona bekhumbula, because for the most part who we are as Africans and what we stand for is things that we already know, and izinto ezitshalwe ngaphakathi kithi ukuthi samba sikhohlwe ngenxa ya colonization nani. But the minute we sit down as people and we have certain conversations even about our hair, kuba khona into evukayo ekwenza ukuthi ukhumbule. And kuyangithokozisa kakhulu when I do witness people noma be reflector back besho ukuthi awe ma wazwayikhuluma into engilekelelile ukuthi ngikhumbule ukuthi ngubani.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how has teaching Ubuntu changed the way you see life besides Ubala, like the way you see life ngaphandle?
Ubuntu ngikuthanda because it's not only restricted to Africans. It's very broad. If uthi I am because you are, shuthi I am even because of India nomlungu. So ukulokho ngikufundisa kanje kuyayivula inhliziyo yami to other ethnicities, because ngicabanga ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane noma ngiyumuntu as an artist osawabambile kakhulu amanxeba of what happened in the past. And so umlungu beqhamuka benginayo into yokuthi but now sengiyakwazi ukuthi umlungu beqhamuka ngi-understand ukuthi okay yazini I am because you are, and we can kind of find middle ground nendlela eyaphambili.
For Ila's question, what's a misconception people have about Ubuntu that you consistently have to like change or you correct? I mean, very interview, freedom of speech, so what's your take on that?
I think ilenda ngichaza manje ukuthi it's not just restricted to Africans.
Yes.
We have to consider other races and consider other people. I think it would be that. Yeah.
For umuntu ongayazi indawo sikuyona i-Bait Center, awungantshela ukuthini manje umuntu ohleli phansi ofisayo naye who does like the music, i-drama nayo kodwa ichazayo, yini advice ongamnika yona about the place?
I-Bait Center iyikhaya lawo wonke umuntu oyiqatshayo ngobuciko nobuthandayo ubuciko. If you're a musician, if whatever nje oyenzayo kubuciko noma ufisayo ukuyenza, this is the space okumele uze kuyo uthokoze kuyo. There's usually shows. If there's no shows, kuba nama performance nje kuningi okwenzakalayo, so do come and connect with the space. Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Thank you so much.
Much.
You heard it from her self Buffet too. Shout out to Broken Mirror Entertainment. Could you say shout out to Broken Mirror Entertainment for us?
Shout out to Broken Mirror Entertainment.
We out.